So guys, let's start G2 test route at Burlington. So examiner will say make a right turn, give the signal, check the blind spot. And examiner will say again make a right turn from the stop sign, give the signal, check the blind spot and stop on the stop sign. Make sure guys, other traffic doesn't have a stop sign, it's a normal stop. Make sure check left, right and go. And now examiner will say go make a left turn. So keep it in the left lane, signal should be on. And make sure you have a 1 car space. And again, whenever your light is green, make sure you clear the traffic and the pedestrian. Make sure nobody is coming from opposite side. Whenever it's green, 1 car at a time in the middle. Now he already gone, so make a left turn, no car, no pedestrian. Make a left turn, go in the left lane. Okay, now I'll show you the new route. Examiner will say make a left turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot and keep it in the second lane. Okay, and speed limit is 60 here, but take it easy. Left turn signal, that is a dedicated signal, so make sure keep it in the second lane. If you choose second, keep it like that, and speed limit is 60. Keep it like that, speed limit is 60. So make a right turn from the traffic lights, check the blind spot, give the signal, make sure no traffic, don't stop, just slow down if you have a green light. Keep it in the right lane. So 40 begins. Alright, so keep it like that, check left, right. We came first, so we'll go first. So we are going straight. So examiner will say make a left turn, give the signal, check the blind spot and get in from the beginning guys. Okay, make sure you check in from the beginning and wait here if your car is coming. Okay, don't do rush. If the traffic is coming from the opposite side, please wait here. Don't do rush because they don't have a stop sign. Now it's clear, we can go, make a turn and it's 40. So examiner will say make a right turn from here, give the signal, check the blind spot and easy. Make a right turn and examiner will ask you do the 3-point turn, do the parallel parking, do the uphill, downhill or emergency stop. He will ask you everything here. Let's do 3-point turn, right signal, check the blind spot and slowly stop to the curve. Make sure guys, do not block anyone's driveway. Stop fully, completely. Give signal to the left, check the blind spot again. Check the oncoming traffic as well. And always guys, make sure wherever your steering is moving, make sure you give the signal on that side. If your steering is moving on the left side, give the signal to the left. If your steering is moving on the right, so give the signal to the right. So now we are going back to the test center. You will never find this route on the YouTube. This is a new route for the Burlington G2. So make a left turn from the stop sign. So stop on the stop sign. It's a normal stop. Check left, check right and go a little bit forward. Nobody is coming, we can go. Again, examiner will say make a right turn from the stop sign. Stop on the stop sign. Check left, check right and we cannot see the traffic. We'll go in the right motion little bit and check the traffic and we can go. Keep it like that. And again, examiner will say okay, go straight. So keep it like that. It's a always stop sign. Check left, check right and make sure guys completely stop. Now examiner will say make a left turn from the traffic light. So give the signal, keep it in the left lane. Check the blind spot. I know there is no needed to do the check the blind spot, but still please check it. So make sure you have enough space So make yourself busy, check all the mirrors, scan all the mirrors. Make sure, guys, take it easy. It's a very simple test route. My student just passed on this test route, so make sure, guys, it's very easy. So if you got an arrow, you can go. If you are in the first lane, go in the first lane. So you have to lane change to the right by yourself. Make sure, guys, make your speed at least 45-50 because it's a 60. Otherwise, follow the traffic. Keep it like that. And don't go close to the car. Don't go close to the traffic. Please keep that in your mind. Now examiner will say make a right turn from the traffic light, give the signal, check the blind spot and get in from the beginning. Again, guys, this is called the yield sign. Can you see the triangle? This is called the yield sign. Make sure, guys, other traffic has the right of way. If you see any pedestrian or traffic is coming from the other side, please wait. Okay? And now examiner will say again make a right turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot and make a right turn. Make sure, guys, it's a very busiest plaza, so keep it like that. And now examiner will say make a left turn. Keep it like that, make a left turn and easy. Now examiner will ask you, okay, do the reverse parking, and then he or she will ask you, okay, do the front parking. That's it, guys. Now your test is done. Thank you so much.